men.
That's so pretty. Wow. Well, I have here with me two beautiful ladies, or two beautiful girls rather, because when you call them girls or ladies, they're not like African, they're not like when you call a woman African woman, not they like she go say happy lady yo. Okay, today we're going to be talking about integration. That's what my program is all about. For people living in Italy especially. How Niger people, I will take upgrade. I will want to take upgrade. I did here with one very special guest. Na Napoli she dey live. Now here they born and Niger dey inside blood. And she not fit change that fact. That's so if you like now here they born, she could just say, no, I love long hair. I like it long. I like it this. I like it that. Now Niger, better Niger blood, better Igbo. One name, maybe this one. You understand? So here we go. This is Nima. Okay.
Hi, my name is Nima. I'm 25 years old and I'm a medical student.
Nima talk now, talk pidgin. Now Niger people they watch you, they want to understand some things. I beg. You sabi speak pidgin now, Nima. You know sabi small. And no problem.
We live in Napoli.
Exactly. Hey, in Napoli, they wait for you. Hey. So Mima, I want make you share your experience for year. Tell our Niger people, you know the problem when our Niger people get for year. Especially for Napoli, I talk about the zone with me, I know. We don't get so many mentors, you know to be mentors now. We don't get so many figures when they feel our children won't emulate, like they want to become a lawyer, or they want to become a doctor, or they even want to become a blogger, or they won't be one fashion, somebody important. They don't get who to look up to. Because most of the people who come here before, like 20 years ago, like 30 years ago, what did they really do? They don't really do anything. Some they try, but we never try enough. So that is what this program they're all about. We go from time to time, they bring people when our children feel look up to, feel get hope, say okay, they don't say racism in this country, they're every part of the world. But the truth is that when you become somebody, racism not there again, because they go need your services. They go need your services. So they're not going to think about racism anymore. I've been allowed to talk, Mima.
No. I think that the best thing for making people to integrate is to study. Maybe as a student, I feel more integrated than someone that didn't study or didn't continue his studies. That's because if you want to have a better opportunity in Italy, you have to have knowledge that study in the university or continue the high school, because I see a lot of African parents not making their children to study, or they think that it's better for them to go abroad and study when not continuing their studies here in Italy. And I think if they force their children, not even force, help their children understand that studying may help them to create a future and even integrate at the same time.
Really?
Yes, because no one can tell you anything if you have a degree in your hand. No one can say that you're ignorant. No one can say that you didn't try.
But many people they just say job now, even though they go school here. Just imagine now the truth be that with Mima. The truth be say, even though you go school here for Italy, I don't want to begin to say for Napoli or for Milan, for anywhere, it's different, Now, if you go school, you won't tell me say racism not today. You talk about your own personal experience.
Yes, they have. They still have racism. But you have to be more smart, more intelligent, and just think that I'm studying here for my future, not for them to accept me or anything. I just take my degree, I just take my scholarship, I just take what they give me and go away with my knowledge. That is the only thing you have to think about. Not be annoyed because they treat you in a different way. You have to demonstrate them that you're smarter than that and you're more powerful than them. That is the only thing. With knowledge and studying. Demonstrating that you can pass your exams, demonstrating that you can take high marks.
Exactly. I like what you talk. You must demonstrate to them. That means you must show them, say, you'll get higher mark. So if they put una two together, now we go be like, say, we won't day top. That's the only way we fit integrate.
Because sometimes they think that, like I have this example when I tell people that I go to university, the opinion is that I'm adopted. Because in their mind, African people don't send their children to study.
Did you hear that part? You say for which people mind?
For white people's mind is that African people don't send their children to study.
Can you imagine
for
that?
them, we don't have the value of studying.
And that is not true.
So it's important to demonstrate them that we have it, because most of the mistake African people do here is that they send their children abroad to study. While Italian universities are still good and are very important in the world, some of them are even in the top in the world. But the fact that when you go around, you don't see black people in the university, make them to think they don't have black people that are studying. They don't know that the African people here send their children into London to study.
I beg, hold on 1 minute. That's the information you give me. So, for example, we'll take for example, you now. What do you mean that they don't have black people in the university?
Like in my university, No, I mean Bambitelli University.
Where?
In the Historical Center of Naples. And I can say in my year, I'm the only black person. Maybe even the only
foreigner. No, you know what, to introduce yourself for. You know what? This program about Nigeria people with the year, they want to emulate people. So introduce yourself well and tell them what you do. And a little bit of, you know, how you get there. Maybe the program is all about.
I'm born in Rome.
You might not speak Pidgin English.
I know they speak much Pidgin English because my parents taught me how to speak only good English.
Okay, to speak the good English then.
Okay. I'm born in Rome. Then they raised me in Veneto, precisely in Vicenza. That is where I attend all my school, from elementary school to high school. During my high school, I did the national exam for medicine.
That's nice.
And I entered medicine in my first time trying the exam. And the thing is that the first thing they told me was go to Britain, because they said that they don't have opportunity for black people to study, that they will sabotage you and all this. It's not true. If you're smart, you will pass. If you're smart, you will enter. It's just that, how can I say, it's different from maybe someone that come from Nigeria, don't know the language, do the test. But all these people and children born here, raised here, they're like Italians. They don't separate you when you do the test. If you are smart, if your mark is high, you enter medicine and you study like everyone else. So the idea that when you come here they sabotage your university is not true. Because yeah, if they sabotage, you can still go and ask for the vote, and they cannot sabotage what you think, how they can do maybe in middle school, high school. Because I had experience that they tried to sabotage you in that years in the schools.
Oh.
Like, I had the opportunity to go to London because I did a test and I arrived second, and I was taking 10 people. And the teacher decided I was not good enough, in their opinion, to go to London. Why I arrived second in all the school. But this doesn't change that. Knowledge is what makes you to stand out.
That's it.
And that is not only in Italy, so it's everywhere.
In the world.
If you want to stand out in a foreign community, it's with knowledge and a good job. And most of them stop and start working fabrica. Okay, you can integrate in that way. Okay, but that is not why your parents brought you here to create your own future. So at least they're supposed to force themselves to study, in my opinion.
So when you say study now, is education everything? You know why it is
not that education is everything, but a degree can help you everywhere in the world. Having a degree separates you from not having a degree. That is a thing. Because in some places abroad, having a degree gives you a different payment from someone that don't have a degree for the same job.
But you imagine, you know why they talk like this? They born you for a year. Okay, what about other Africans? We swim.
They have even in the news, there was this boy, he came here knowing that he wanted to study. Through his cooperative, I told them, I want to study. He learned the Italian language, did 1 year, because he can do 1 year of university for stranieri in Italia. And from there, he entered university and he have a degree now.
Really?
Because if you want to study in Italy, you have the opportunity. Because Italy makes you to pay in base how much your reddito is. If you don't have reddito, it's maybe 200, 400, you do small job, you pay that 400 school fees. That is what you pay. So that is the difference between Italy and other places. You have the opportunity to study because it's cheap.
People don't know that. It's cheaper to study here in Italy.
Yes.
They don't know that, eh?
In Italy, they start from 400. Like this year, I did my exams. And I passed enough exams. And I paid only €145.
Exams for what?
University exams. When you pass your university exams.
I'm not sure with the flow here. This is the point. Flow. Which exam? How you get there?
No, your own school exams, university exams. When you do your university exams well, when you're good in university, in school, in general, you don't pay.
Like for you, more talk about your school year now. How many black people did there?
For now, I only see myself. But they
wait. No, they laugh like saying that fun. Not just how you go say for your own university. Now Napoli with this so now, Abi?
Not in Napoli, but in my medical course. I see only myself, and someone told me that I have maybe one or other 2 black people in all the medical course of Vanvitelli University.
In Naples?
Yes.
Did you hear that? As we many rich now, we they dominate only one for medical school year for Napoli. Okay, now what I just told you, the image. We get many children. Nigerians are we dominate well for you. You know, Senegalese day, Sri Lanka's day, you know, Chinese day. But we talk about the black race, we tend to dominate more. Our children when they born here. You understand that? We need more mentors. I don't say not be all picking and not be the same. Some people not go school. Some people, great footballers, they make a name in their various fields, you know. They feel be into business. But we need more of those mentors, more of people, maybe they look up to people here for Napoli. I don't know if we want to breakthrough into the system, really. Now, only through education, we fit take breakthrough. You think so?
In my opinion, yes, because how they say in Italy, carta canta. That is a way of saying of Italy, the paper sings. And in this case, yes, in this case, it's a degree.
That one too high.
Because going to a job, I have my degree. They cannot say I'm an ignorant. They cannot say that you don't have knowledge. Because an Italian degree says that you studied, so language you have to, you know, brain you have to work. So you need certificate. It's not that there's no work, because if you're qualified, you find work. But if you're looking for any job that you don't need qualification, that is difficult because they have many people that can do that same job.
You have a point. So any hard job, it's easy.
Yes, because when I was
qualification.
When you look for people looking for jobs, they're looking for people that speak different languages like German, French, Spanish, and all these things. But they want you to have a degree for that. It's not that they just speak French and just come.
You see, this time I want to draw this point out for what you talk. This is a very important information when she talks about. When they quit the talk say job not in Napoli. I don't know about other parts of Italy, and Napoli like day. When they quit the talk say job not there here. But guess what? You don't ask yourself which kind of job you define. Because even Germany and other parts of the world, they look for skilled people who get skill for hand. You know, a skilled job. You be tailor, what will you be?
When you want to go to Canada, if you have a degree,
you will get.
They will give you immediately a visa to go. Because they're looking for people with skills
in their hands.
Understand?
Most of us will come from this thing for Nigeria. We swim enter here through Lampedusa, or we enter this Lakpalakpa take on. Lakpalakpa with the corner. Now we enter take on. They don't get skill, nothing. School,
and the bad thing is that they don't want to learn the language.
Then when they reach here, even for camp that they keep them, they give them opportunity, or they pay them. Don't they pay house rent? That's not the opportunity for them to even learn something.
They don't want. I know. They don't want.
They don't want. They want the money now. Why? Because our parents they call us from home. You don't say pressure from home too much. When they begin call you, they need money. Mama no work, Papa no work. This one, that one. So who get that time to go school? But you know the problem again. Even that small job will define. When we get another language, we get to use to speak them.
That is another
Maybe you won't wash plates.
Because talking with people, I discovered that a lot of Nigerian people don't want to learn language. Language is the basic thing you're supposed to learn. Even if you don't want to go and study, at least learn the language. Make them to think that you respect the country. And how can they talk with you if you don't know how to discuss with them? Because some of them think that saying see is enough and saying no when it's needed is enough. But even learning the language can make you to get a better job than lavapiatti, than washing plates. Because washing plates is because you don't have to talk with no one or maybe picking fruits. But if you already know how to talk, you can walk inside bar and become waitress. Already the payment is better. Work as inside supermarket.
Commerce.
Understand? Many of these jobs where you have to talk with people you cannot do. So how are you finding job if you cannot even speak small language?
Now another thing again, documents some people not get. You see, that document again and that problem. You understand? The document and that problem. You know, the document are the most important thing too. The document will make you blessed. You want to stay the country somehow. You feel rent house.
And I think that learning the language will help you to find a small job. It will help you to make the thing of the document more fast. Because when they see you have a job for enough time, they will give you your document more easily because they're saying that you want to integrate. Knowing the language is already a way of integration. Because it means that you're ready to be part of them. But some people will be in Italy 15 years, they don't speak Italian, not even small word. 15 years.
So Mima, you know why I bring you on this my show today, so because I see you as mentor for our children here. That's the truth, eh? I dey tell you to your face. You understand? I make you bring you here. I won't tell our Niger people, say we fit do one. No, not racism day, not the truth. But this my Mima now, very soon she's going to be a medical doctor. She will share an experience again, how racism they work. Say when she did young for her school, make the hear from your mouth. If I talk and go blessing on me.
The teachers were always saying that I was not enough smart, I was not enough for everything. They were telling this to my parents, and I'm saying them it's not true. And that is how they always treat me, because they were treating me different from how they were treating other classmates. And at the end, I demonstrated it, because I went to university and I entered medicine, and most of the children didn't enter the medical course. Like, my mother meets my elementary teacher, and while my elementary teacher was like talking, what is she doing? My mother just brought out the picture of me in the hospital. She's studying medicine. And that is a demonstration to them that we can do better than them, or we can do equal to what they are doing. Because in their opinion, we're only good for manual jobs.
Did you hear that?
We're not enough smart for university.
We are only good for manual jobs. And that's the truth. Let me quickly share my opinion too on that matter. I teach in a private school somewhere here in Napoli too. Now, when I went to the school, you know, there's this program they have, they call it colloquial. You need to talk to the parents. So when it got to the time for all the parents to gather, as an English teacher, when it comes to my section, the parents come, they want to know how their children are faring, they come to me. Guess what? Some of the parents met me on the staircase when I was going up. They didn't know I was a staff. You know what they asked me? They said, am I new here? I said, yes, I'm new here. He said, what do? You help them clean or you cook? Whether I'm a cleaner or I cook there, you know, whether I be cleaner for there or I be cook.
Oh.
You know why? Because
they don't see us as teachers, as doctors.
We never enter into the system where we never get enough mentors.
In Italy, yes.
Later, I don't say that many times. I can say yes, I dey help here. I don't can say there. Later, this same man come meet me and they ask me, say, how in children they fail. When they introduced me as the English teacher for that school, the man shocked. Why go shock?
Because you're black.
Because number one, I be black.
Not be shocked when doctor is black.
She go hospital that day.
Italy is still backwards in this thing, in integration in that way. Because if you go to France, it's normal to see black police, it's normal to see black doctor, it's normal to see black lawyer. But in Italy, it's still. But I think it's even our own fault.
That's what I wanted to say.
Because maybe in that country, the French people were studying and then immediately integrating that
system.
Yes, but us, it's just now. The people that came first, most of them went abroad. They didn't work in Italy. So they don't have much example of black people working and successful. Because all of them work, they're successful, go abroad.
Did you hear that? We don't have many. We're not saying they don't have black people who are successful. But how many of them?
And not in sports, because sports, they accept us.
You see, they accept us. Why did they accept us?
Because they know that we are very good in sport, in that. Yes, they're always like, oh, you're black, that is why you're good in sport.
Naturally, you'll be good in sport.
Yes.
You know?
But like I was saying, they said they were good in physical things more than mental. But we have to demonstrate that even mentally, we're okay and we're good.
Did you hear that? We don't talk too much today. We don't talk too much. I like what you ended with. They think say we they only physically sound, but they don't forget say mentally too we they too. But our language too now they make us. For me, now the language now they make us, they demonstrate our full potential. That language now big barrier, now really big barrier.
But at least starting, that is what I tell to people to help. I think the most important thing for you is start to learn Italian small. Not that you have to become an expert in Italian, that you have to like do huge discussion, but at least present yourself, talk with them. Small, you have to know how to explain yourself to them.
Because it's very important.
And this even cause problem in the hospital. You go to the hospital, you don't know how to say what you have.
To even tell the doctor.
As a medical student, as a future doctor, if a patient come to me, I don't know what to explain what you have. How can I cure you? So that is even good for you, because you won't have someone always to translate for you. Now, luckily, they know how to speak English, but in case, what are you going to do if no one speaks English that day?
You know how many times people have been sick at home, even to call the ambulance? Because when you call the ambulance,
you have to explain what you're having.
You have to explain what you're... it's so difficult. I know the problems I'm facing. That is exactly what this my show or whatever it is all about. It's just freestyle. Where I'm going to be inviting people who are successful, mentors, so that our children will have people to look up to, you know? So for today, I think we're done. Okay? We're done for today. I want to thank you so much for finding time to come and just talk to us from time to time. We invite you, we'll invite you so that you come. Okay. We'll be inviting you from time to time, please. You don't know what you are doing here today. Maybe in future, you understand what we are doing here today. One wasn't built in a day. Now, small drop of water and they make a nation. Okay, my people, where they watch me too. I don't know which part of Italy on a day, any part of the world. Please, don't forget to press like. Don't forget to share. And okay, the most important thing again, inbox me. Any topic where you want me to discuss, we go help our people. I don't feel know everything. I just started this thing too, you understand? Inbox me, we'll talk about them. Then make sure say any information when you know say go help our people. You go see they tell me to. Me I no be pians, I don't feel know everything. Okay? Thank you very much. This is Vivian signing out. Bye. Bye.